Yo, what is up, guys? Today is 2 days after Christmas. I've got some Christmas presents, American flag, buff. And today, we're gonna do something very, very fun. So, what are we doing is probably what you're asking, and I will tell you. Today, we're going shooting guns. So we're going to a gun shop near my house called Trops. It's a pretty new gun shop, and they do a good job with indoor ranges. So we're gonna go there and shoot some handguns. I'm gonna be taking not the big camera, but I'm gonna be filming off my iPhone, get some shots of us shooting, and then we'll see what the rest of the day has in store for us. Oh yeah, got my ice fishing setup rigged up. So as soon as the ice freezes, I'll be out on the ice fishing. But today we're gonna shoot some guns. So I'll see you guys at the range. At the gun shop right now, waiting for a lane. Get back to you when we're shooting. But look at this place. We are at my house now in the field because the gun shop was insanely packed, so we're just gonna shoot in the field into a dirt mound. Let's get to shooting. How we do?
Oh, there's one 22 shot there. And that might be a 22.
Got the ARs out here.
What caliber is that?
22.
That right there is what a 22 M4 is. Awesome. What's going on here?
You have a safety on?
I love these things. Well, got done shooting some guns. I'm just gonna relax the rest of the night, do some edits. Think we're gonna go bowling. Basically today was just a fun day of shooting guns. Getting some steam out, throwing some lead. Oh, hey, puppy.
Oh, what's up?
Anyways, yeah, today was a fun day of shooting guns and just enjoying a good old day. It's like 60. It was like 60 degrees today in December, so I probably could have went fishing, but I got the opportunity to go out and shoot a lot of guns. So I always take those opportunities when they're given to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video of me shooting guns. If you'd like to see more gun videos, more hunting videos, leave a thumbs up and comment below. Should be getting out on the water soon. I think tomorrow's going to be pretty warm, so I think I'm going to go fishing tomorrow. So hopefully a fishing video coming tomorrow. New camera gear coming soon, so the videos should be getting a lot better. Spring is on its way. So you know, as far as it may seem, it's coming. It's getting closer and closer every day. With spring comes great fishing videos. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy your night.